Hey guys! Hello guys! Good afternoon, it's 2 o'clock. We're going to Bristol today. Samahan natin si Uncle Michael to get his furnitures from Ikea. So we're gonna go visit Ikea. I forgot to bring your koan though. It's a happy Saturday today.
Welcome to the Woods Family Stories.
It's nice in here. It's just the same, but when we go to our house in Philippines, Casamira, it's gonna be like this. Long walk from the road. But there are tricycles now. Goes inside. This is Michael's new house. Sophia's here. I'll get Jacob in a minute. Welcome to Michael's abode. Oh, it's all done.
Come on in, go Jacob.
Here comes trouble. Take shoes off. Jacob. Up,
Oh,
up,
you have
up.
to explore.
No, there's nothing in there.
Should be. You okay?
Yeah, you. House tour for Jacob. Let's shut the door. Let's have a house tour. Got a nice house.
Oh, where are you off to?
No, house tour. Wow, this is a beautiful house. No, you're not touching that. Those are Michael's games.
What's a Michael game?
Yeah, it's Michael's games.
It's a Michael game.
Oh, wow, it's Michael's game. No. What's that? Is that your old one from your house?
Well, that's my piano chair.
Ah, where's your piano?
Oh, I still think I can. My piano.
Oh, nice house lang. No, is this your bedroom? It's big. Oh, this is the...
I keep looking at the carpet.
Huh? I like your carpet. Nice color.
Let's go upstairs.
Look at all the storage. Yes.
I wish I had...
And
Hang on, you watch Jacob.
we can put Jacob in here.
What the heck?
You can get in.
You could use that as a wardrobe, couldn't you?
A
Yeah,
little hidey hole.
it's nice. Get inside there, Jacob, Sophia. Cute, isn't it? Very nice. I like your house, Mark. Can we live here?
Let's go. We've no heating.
Solar panels
Not,
on.
no, not on yet. Okay.
Solar panels on there.
What's in there, Jacob?
Oh.
Well, he wants to get in.
You're gonna use your. You're gonna use your. Go on.
He wants to close the door.
You want to shut the
No,
door?
no.
Your
Finger.
It'll be dark.
Careful, have finger.
Don't, because it might panic, sweetheart.
There's nothing in here for you to play now. No toys. No.
Have you been in there?
That's the window. That's the
Shall we
outside.
go?
Mommy,
Yeah.
I can stop.
This is the outside.
Mommy,
Michael's front room. No. Ay. No. Put it down. You can't have that. No. Come here. You know what he found? Your earth. It's in the puzzle thing.
Because that will break into little bits, Jacob. No.
That's a toilet.
You can't touch that, Jacob.
No touching, please. You can't have that. Sit down. Is this the new one?
No.
This is your old one?
My own.
Is it?
on it.
Just nice. Still, we can't fit it though. Yeah, I like it.
Lie down.
Look at Michael's garden, Langga. Don't open it though. Wow, look at Michael's garden. Oh no! Look at this. He's got all his stuff in here. Wait. You go with Daddy, Langga. Whoa. Jacob said, what is that?
Exactly, what is that? That's what that is.
What bed are you going to get? Office stuff. Push it. Cupboards. Let's go here. In here. Ooh. Yeah. Where's Michael? Here's the kitchen. They have a living. Here lang guy. It's like a whole house thing.
Mommy, there's a piece of paper in there.
Okay. Ah, just leave it, Langga. It's not yours.
Huh? Mom, the button is pushed in.
Oh yeah. It's not anymore. A monkey? No, you don't get that. Shopping, Sophia. There, this is nice. Come here. Sophia, come in here. This is their showroom. Nice, no? Pantry.
Sealed up. Jacob.
Let's go to the bedroom.
Papa,
Ooh.
Papa, let's go. I don't know that.
Michael, where? That's small. I think it's a small double. Fun. You might be able to find something in here, Mike. Is that for your editing? Or watching Roblox? Model ka sa Ikea? Sugot ka? Jacob. Let's go to the soft play. Kulit si Jacob. Wow. Welcome to Smalan. Exciting. Snacks ng kudiri og Swedish. Lamig ka doon. This is nice.
Things and the prices of
Oh yeah. What's £7
You're a
like
good girl.
Ayun, muli na mi guys kay hapon na may diri kay mabilin man ang bata for free. Nasa list of play for free. So Jacob had a nice time na. Come on, let's go. So we had lots of fun in Ikea.
It's snaky.
Sophia got snaky.
Snake puppet. My strap is on my snake.
It's now a little.
The snake is really long. It's the same size as me. Jacob. Mommy, the snake is the same size as me.
Yes, it's tall, isn't it?
Oh. So,
Don't let her go.
it's a puppet.
Bungi snake.
Yeah, babe, that's sharp, but it's still here.
What?
Stone walls.
Agoy! Jacob is sleeping.
So that game
Tired.
they played, babe, didn't they? They tried to help, but that's how they build.